HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for, that is Monday. Is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, genuinely looking at HIMS, I'm looking to double down buy more in this, like straight up, very simple. Like how this would look like is, would love to see the price pulling back into my demand zone and then from here buying. Now, pre-market is a bit higher than expected, but that's fair. That's totally normal. Now, because I'm being the only guy in the space with 43,000 videos, through all these repetitions and just knowledge, I've seen what's working and making me money and more so documented everything. So unless I see the price actually giving me that double break confirmation, there is just no way that I'm going to look to forward buy. You know what I mean? Very simple. So that's how HIMS is looking like. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Also, there's a very much like 49 results in the results trade alert section in the Discord. So goodbye, Ninja. Or maybe this is in the now section.